Good morning. This is Eric Newcomer, CTO at WSO2. I'd like to talk with you a little bit about some of our views on identity access management, in particular, customer identity access management, which is our specialty. Customer identity access management is, of course, very important for digital transformation, in particular for customized and differentiated, unique digital experiences that companies need to deliver to differentiate themselves in the market, be competitive. It's important to have a very smooth and easy identity access management sign-on process. This, however, has to be balanced with strong security. And we are always looking at the new trends, passwordless email, uh, device-based authentication to strengthen the authentication without impacting the customer too much. However, today I think in the tension between security and smooth customer experience, people are realizing security is more important all the time. With all of the incidents that are happening, we have to focus very strongly on security and find the right balance. A very important factor is the speed with which these applications can be developed and delivered to market, because a customized and differentiated digital experience is something that has to be built over time. You have to be working on the problem to understand the customer's reaction and to see whether you achieve the goals of having a smooth customer experience or not. So it's important to get the solution out, the product out, the mobile app, the web page into the customer's hands and get that feedback. The customer ID is important for that too, to track the feedback, to track the activity, to get the data to analyze an AI to see where the experience can be improved. To do this, to make it more quick into market, we at WSO2 provide pre-built libraries that developers can use within their IDE. This is important because it's hard to find developers with security skills. So we provide the libraries pre-built, and these can be customized for some of the digital experience needs or for the developer needs or for particular policies and standards of a company. Once these are into the application, they can be verified through automated testing, which means that security validation, which sometimes can slow time to market, can be also done through the automated pipeline tools and testing. Something else very, very important about ID management is that it's becoming a way to also increase security once somebody is logged into the application. So let me put this another way. Firewalls and perimeter security systems have been in place for many years, and the attackers are finding new ways to breach them all the time. So ID monitoring and management of IDs and passwords and logins after the login is also very important, just to make sure that the IDs are not being stolen or not being abused in terms of access privilege actions. This is a very, very important, especially in the cloud, where overprivileged IDs have been responsible for some of the breaches and the break-ins. And because everything in the cloud is managed by APIs, including configurations for security, tracking the IDs and what the IDs are able to do and what they have done, what they shouldn't be able to do, is also very important, something else we're looking into very strongly. In closing, I'd just like to summarize that WSO2 is focused on providing very simple and easy to use ID management. We have millions of IDs under management with customers worldwide with our open source flagship product. And we recently bringing to market an identity as a service product in the cloud called Asgardio, which makes it even simpler and more cost effective to protect those millions of IDs that are needed for those types of applications from those significant enterprise digital applications. In other words, we have a great proven track record over the last 10 years with our open source product used by many, many companies. And we're now releasing this year a cloud-based version of identity access management as a service called Asgardio that's going to help democratize and spread the capability even further for companies to provide this great streamlined ease of use protection for their customer IDs and set them up very simply and quickly. I should also mention we are releasing this year our Choreo product as well, which is an all-in-one platform for developing great digital experiences. These two work together to speed up delivery of those great customer user experiences that need to be developed and delivered to market in the cloud very, very quickly. So thank you for your time today. It's very happy to have a chance to say hello, and let's keep trying to work to make sure we find the right balance between security and great customer experience with frictionless adoption of customer identity access management technology, including simplification of security approval reviews, speeding time to market, and doing all that we can in the cloud to make sure the cloud becomes a great part of that customer experience, the scalability, the agility, the resilience, all of those things that companies need for successful identity access management projects. Thank you very much.